afternoon to you. I'm Arti Usha, TGT Max, at present working in KV number 1 Candidate. I really enjoy being here and I think I am very lucky to be a part of this organization. I was a KV student also, and as a KV student, I have utilized all the opportunities given to me, be it in CCA, sports, games, assembly program or exhibitions for that matter. I have completed more than 34 years as a mathematics teacher in KV. And KVS has given me lot of opportunities for my professional development. And I was given the National Incentive Award in 2007. And I got an opportunity to go to KV Moscow and work there for 3 years. Apart from this, I have attended online courses, offline courses, workshops as a participant and also as a resource person. In-service courses were there for 21 days. Then I have attended courses at ZIET. I was asked to represent Ernakulam region at the National Mathematics Conference, and so many other workshops, seminars, webinars, all have given me a good exposure. I thank KVS for all the support they have rendered to me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Varsha P. Prakash, PGT Physics. 12 years as a student and almost 6 years as a teacher in Kendra Vidyalaya has been an incredible journey for me. I did all my 12 years of schooling from KV OCF Avadi, Chennai, and I feel extremely blessed to have gained invaluable experiences as a student at KV. My time in KV as a student provided me with a rich and diverse education environment that not only nurtured my academic growth but also my personal development. Being a volleyball player, I got opportunities to take part in KV's national sports meets and SDFI, which helped me to understand the value of sportsmanship, hard work, rigorous practice, and it also instilled in me essential qualities like discipline, perseverance, and teamwork. In addition to sports, KVS also gave me opportunities to take part in various cultural programs, co-curricular activities, and exhibitions, and also helped in making friends from different parts of the country. KVS has contributed significantly to my overall development and has laid a very strong foundation for all my endeavors.
Namaste. KVS Foundation wishes to all. Feeling really privileged to stand before you. Once a KVN, always a KVN. My father being a teacher of science in KV, I've had the opportunity to study in 4 different schools and as a KV teacher in 5 different schools. So it was really enriching and ennobling. And I feel I really owe it to KV because KV brings out the best in you. And there is no debating that wherever KVNs go, they stand out. Let me take this opportunity to seek the blessings of my principals and my teachers who have brought the best in me. Thank you.
Greeting to all, happy KVS Foundation Day. My name is Anjali Singh, TGT Maths, KV number 1 Calicut. Today I am going to share my incredible journey in KVS as a student. I have reminded of countless moments that have shaped my KVS journey as a student. Now, my incredible journey starts with the first posting of my father, Sri D.P. Singh, as TGT Sanskrit in KV Jagalpur. There we have spent almost 4 years. There we are all living together. We all celebrate festivals together. We all believe in unity and diversity. We help each other in our tough time also. I remember once my father got in an accident, and that time the whole staff and the students helped our family a lot. And this made a lasting impact on me. Then we moved to the next station, KV Manendragarh. There I have spent almost 10 years. I have completed my 10 plus 2 level. There I have learned so many things that excel academically but also enhance me in extracurricular activities. Participation in debate, dance, singing, science exhibition and many other cultural events help me in enhancing my qualities like leadership skill, communication skill and teamwork. So KVS provides me a platform for overcoming fears such as stage fear, for overcoming the self-doubt, and also it builds self-confidence in me. KVS not only enrich my school life but also prepare me for the challenges of the real world. KVS provide me a good teachers. I remember some names like Ashok Kalawar sir, Praveen sir, They are the wonderful teacher that teach me very well. I have made a long-lasting friendship there who always support me and encourage me. I am very grateful for being a part of a KVS as a student. And this all aspects of the KVS motivate me to become again a part of KVS, and now I am a teacher in KVS. So I am really grateful, and it's been a privilege for me to be a part of a great community that support diversity, creativity and innovation. That's all in KVS journey. Thank you so much.
I stand before you today filled with immense joy and gratitude to say a few words which were related to my school days for KV Women Kolkot. I was extremely blessed to be a part of this institution. This is not just a school for me, this is my second home, place where I grew, learned, and evolved as a person I am today. I have a lot of memories about my teachers who were not just educators, they were friends. They have guided me through various situations. They have pursued me, they have helped me to pursue my passions, and they have played a major part in my life. I also have a lot of memories about my friends, which those friendships I still cherish. Very happy that I again got an opportunity to be a part of this institution as a teacher, and I got the opportunity to work with some of the same teachers who have taught me here. I wish all a very happy Foundation Day.
I have been associated with Kendriya Vidyalaya as a little girl who joined first standard in KV Tadband, Hyderabad. And from there on, my journey as a student was completed in Kendriya Vidyalaya ASC Center, Bangalore, in class 12th. I feel so proud that I am a KVN, and not only as a product of KV, I also got an opportunity to serve this institution. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is definitely a miniature India which represents the diverse culture of our country, where we get to meet students from different backgrounds, and we get a lot of opportunities to participate in all aspects of a holistic development, we can say, of a child. Whether it is sports or cultural activities or exhibitions, it gives us so much of an opportunity to showcase our talents, and also to represent KVS at all levels. Gives so much of pleasure and makes us feel proud that we are representing a miniature India. I have been really blessed to have served this institution for the past 30 years, and I'm due for retirement in another 2 years' time. I feel really grateful and blessed to be a part of this institution. I wish all the students who are a part of this institution make it to great positions in life. And on this 62nd KVS Foundation Day, I extend my hearty greetings to one and all. Thank you.